Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to merge raster layers in QGIS environment. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. In order to do this, I will download Landsat 8 data from USGS Earth Explorer. For this, I'm gonna come to my browser and search for USGS Earth Explorer. I need to log in into my account since I have already an account. From here I'm gonna select my study area by clicking on the screen. You can select your study area. From data bit range you can define a specified range for your download. For example, August until the end of August. From dataset Landsat, there are two options here, level 2, level 1. Since atmospheric correction has been down on level 2, I'm gonna choose level 2 and select on results. As you can see here, the list of available data. I'm gonna start with this one. From product option, I have to define an area, folder. For example, I'm gonna come to Landsat, saying it's a name, and save. It's gonna take a while in order to download. However, after downloading, we can go further to our purpose. Okay, it's finished. I'm gonna extract the file. Okay, very good. This is the extracted file. As you can see, we have different bands here. Right now, I'm gonna back to my QGIS environment. In order to add files into QGIS environment, I'm gonna use this one, Open Data Source. Here we have a list of data that we can choose. For example, I will add raster data. For this, I will put on raster. From source, I will go to my folder, as I said before. And here, I will choose band 1, band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If I click on add, it's gonna add it to my screen. Bands 1 to 7. Okay, in order to stack all layer into one file, I can use raster. From raster, here I have merge, click on merge, and input layers. Here I can define which bands I'm interested in merging them. For this purpose, I will select all of them, 7 bands, and click on OK. Here we have to activate these options because we want each input as a separate band, and we leave output data type in default. However, we need to define an output folder, and also if you want, you can use it, save to a temporary file or save to a file that you are interested. I will leave it in temporary file and click on run. Okay, very good. Right now I can close, and as you can see the merge file here. This is the merge file of 7 bands. Here I can change the visualization. Okay, very good. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much for your attention.